In this short video, we'll walk you through getting your ads to the right people on Facebook. When you target your ad, you're choosing the audiences you want to see your ad. Under the Audience section, you'll find the traits and categories you need to identify the audience you want to advertise to. As you choose your audience, we'll show you how your choices either expand or narrow your potential audience. And remember, targeted ads on Facebook need to comply with all applicable laws. In the Location section, select at least one country, then add cities, states, or zip codes. These selections will get your ad to people who live in these areas. With age, gender, and location, you can identify people within your audience that you want to reach. With age, you can find people on Facebook who fit the age demographic for your business. With gender, you can choose men, women, or both. And you can click more demographics to filter your audience further. Choose from things like relationship status, education level, and more. For interests, you can select from an incredible amount of categories to expand the reach of your ads. When you hover your pointer over a category of interest, our tool gives you a look at just how many people on Facebook are interested in that topic. To find categories that work for your business, you can browse the categories or just start typing, and our tool will suggest interests. In the Behaviors section, you can reach people based on other interests, like how they shop, what type of device they use to check Facebook, and more. With Connections, you can reach people who already like your page on Facebook, their friends, or people who aren't connected to your business. This type of reach is helpful when you want to reach a very specific audience or meet new customers. Now let's see how a business would use ad targeting. Let's say I want to get more people shopping at my small food market in San Francisco. When building my audience, I'll select San Francisco, California. When you select a city, you can adjust the distance to include nearby areas. Let's include San Francisco in the nearby areas within 10 miles. Take a look at the meter on the right side. The potential audience is very broad, with more than 1 million people in the area. Not much changes when I adjust the age to 18 and over. In the Interest section, I'll type organic food, and my audience gets much more defined. Now my ad will run for people 18 and older in the San Francisco area who are interested in organic food. I can also add to the Behaviors category and select traits like mobile device users. Now my potential audience is getting very specific, which means that when people click or engage with my ad, I'm getting an incredible value for my money, because my ad only shows up for people whose interests match up with my business.